Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to change the language in the Amazon app for Android. So let's get started. Open the Amazon app on your Android device and make sure you are signed into your account. By opening the Amazon app on the home page at the very bottom of the screen, you can notice your profile in the form of a little man. Click on it. Then on the next page, in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the option, Country, Region, and Language, which is in the shape of a flag, and next to it there is an abbreviation for a language. Then click on it. By clicking on the Country, Region, and Language option, the next page will open, where you can go down to the Language option in the drop-down menu and click on it. This is where the magic happens. As you can see, the application has made some changes. Now you can choose, in addition to your native language in the USA, other languages offered by the application in this list. And you can also choose languages that are available in other countries. After you decide which language you want to choose, all you have to do is click on it. The application will automatically update and display in the new language. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can change the language in the Amazon app on your Android device to suit your preferences. It's a quick and easy process that can make your shopping experience even better. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.